What's up, guys? It's Josh from Blackout, and it's Wednesday, so we're going to show you what's going on in the shop this week. We'll start over here. You guys are probably familiar with this car at this point. This is Bobby's i8, and if you don't know, he has Valhalla, the axe throwing place. He's got Kingsman Billiards. He's got Paddle Pong. He's got a bunch of different businesses. He also has a YouTube channel called Eat, Pray, Hustle, so check that out. Jimmy is doing some vinyl wrapping on this car, and Jimmy is crippled today. He hurt his back. Not here. So that's okay, but he's sitting down.
I'll be okay.
Sitting on the job. Over here we've got a Ram 3500. Taking some factory paint protection film off. We're wrapping the entire bedside in XPEL paint protection film, as well as the rocker panels. We are going to be able to do this huge, complicated piece in one piece. This is Luke.
I'm sorry, I'm always in the way. I apologize.
He frequently ends up in shots inadvertently. So we've also got two bicycles, which you don't see them often, but we do work on them sometimes, and they're carbon fiber frames. The whole bike weighs like 5 pounds. It's nuts. They're getting PPF, so the top part here, underneath here, in the fork, and on the front of the bike, they're all going to get protected with XPEL paint protection film. And we've got an Escalade. This one was here last week, I believe. It's finished up now. It's just curing. We did paint protection on the whole front end. We tinted the windows. We tinted the marker lights on the front and on the back. And we ceramic coated the car after a polish. So it's done. It looks awesome. We have a massive Silverado 2500. This one got paint protection film on the whole front end. It's getting a ceramic coating next. This grille got PPF too. You can see all of these cutouts. This is a super intricate piece. Aaron did a really nice job on that. And another Rapid Blue C8. This one is a convertible, and this one got the windows tinted, and now it's here for a Ceramic Pro Gold package. And Terrell and Brandon are kicking butt tinting windows all day. And it's the last one, right?
Yep.
Last one of the day, so they're flying. Outside, we've got a Super Duty. This one's here for window tint for tomorrow, but they're probably going to be able to get that knocked out today. Got a Subaru, we tinted the windows on. And check out this new ZR2 Colorado. This belongs to a YouTuber, but I can't tell you which YouTuber yet. And you'll see why it's here eventually. But that thing is pretty sweet looking. This Ram, Blake is just finishing up an annual inspection, so this is a ceramic coated truck. It's back. Every year we do a checkup, basically. Over here we have a Hyundai Elantra. This one got paint protection film installed to the entire hood. It's done, ready to go home. This Silverado Trail Boss was here for a couple of things. We removed the factory Trail Boss graphics off of the back. We're installing some new black badging up front. And you can see there are no seats. That's because we are installing a cat skin leather seat kit. It's a two-tone brown and black leather. I'm sure John will get some good shots of that. It looks awesome. In the wash bay, we have a C63S. This car is gorgeous. We tinted the windows on it not long ago, and it's back for an exterior detail package. So it's all prepped and ready to go. Almost done on that one. Around the front of the shop, we have the Tesla. You guys will get sick of seeing it. And a C8. This car was here for paint protection film last year, and we ordered, at that point, the factory front splitter and the rear spoiler for the car. It was like a year ago, and those parts finally came in from Chevy. So if you're waiting on Corvette parts, it's going to be a really, really long time. And we're installing that rear spoiler and the front splitter on that later today, hopefully. So that's it for what's going on in this shop today. Thank you guys very much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure you do that. We'll see you next week.